Okay, for 109, they give us the slope of a line, and they give us a point. So, two ways to do it. We could use slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, right? And what do I know? I know the slope is 1/5, and the point, 10, 9, that means that x is 10 and y is 9, right? So I could substitute all this in. So I'd get 9 equals the slope, which is 1/5, times x, which is 10, plus b. We don't know b, that's the unknown. So we get 9 equals 2 plus b. Subtract 2 from both sides. So we get 7 equals b. So b equals 7. So now we know two key pieces of information. We know the y-intercept, and we know the slope. So we can write the equation as y equals m, which is 1/5, x plus b, which is 7. So y equals 1/5 x plus 7 is the equation.